Welcome back to the C++ programming course. In this video, we are going to learn C++ constants and literals. So let's get started. In C++, constants are fixed values that cannot be modified once they are defined. They provide a way to store and refer to values that remain unchanged throughout the program execution. Constants can be categorized into two types: literal constants and symbolic constants. So let's understand what is literal constants. Literal constants are fixed values that are directly written in the code. They can be classified into various types based on their value and format. So first is integer constants in literal constants. Okay. So integer literals represent whole numbers without decimal points. As we understood in data types and variables, this is same with that, and integer literals represent whole numbers without decimal point. And these are the examples. Int age is 25. This is decimal constant. Int binary 0b1010, this is binary constant. 0b or 0b prefix. In octal, int octal is equal to 0 1 2 3. It is octal constant because it has a prefix as 0. Int hexadecimal 0x1a, this is hexadecimal constant which start with 0 small x or big X prefix. So this is how integer constants written in C++ programming. Now let's go to floating point constants. Floating point literals represent numbers with fractional parts. They can be written in decimal or scientific notation. So example is float pi 3.14. This is decimal constant. Float scientific 6.02 This is scientific notation which starts from 6.02. Okay. Then we have character constants. Character literals represent individual characters enclosed in single quotes. For example, char ch is equal to a. Then we have example char new line is equal to /n. This is new line character constant. Char backslash, this is escape sequence or backslash constant. Then we have string constants. String literals or constants represent a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. So this is example const character pointer greeting hello world. So this is example of string constants. Boolean constants, Boolean literals represent the truth values true or false. For example, bool is true is equal to true, bool is false is equal to false. This is example of Boolean constants. We are going to understand with example as well after this theory part. Now let's understand symbolic constants. Symbolic constants are defined using the const keyword and provide a named representation for constant value. They are typically used when you want to give meaningful name to constant value to enhance code readability and maintainability. Symbolic constants are defined outside any function or a class and conveniently written in uppercase letters. For example, const int max value 100. It's symbolic constant that cannot be changed in code. Const float pi 3.14159. This is also symbolic constant. Using symbolic constants allows you to refer to the constant value by its the name throughout the code. rather than using literal value directly. This makes it easier to update the value in place if needed, as it automatically reflects the change wherever the constant is used. So overall, C++ provides various types of constants or literals to represent different kinds of values, allowing you to write expressive and maintainable code. So this was the theory part. Now let's understand with example. We have including the libraries by using hash include iostream. Then we have one symbolic constant, that const int max value is 100. Then in main function we have integer constant, that is age, int age is 25. Then we have floating point constant, float pi 3.14. Then we have character grade, that is a. Then we have const character greeting hello world, this is string constant. Then we have boolean constant, that is true, and we storing the value true. And by using cout method we are printing the all parameters or values. Now let's click on local Windows debugger and let's run this program. I have already running this and I can show you the result. So this is the result. We are first printing age and 25 in front of that age string, which is stored in age variable. Then we have pi, grade, greeting hello world is true, max value 100. So this is how constants or literals works in C++ programming language. That's it for this video. Thank you.